Well, it was my birthday on Tuesday. I am old, very old now. I just wanted to share with you guys a card that I got from my financial planner. It says, birthdays are good for your health. Studies have shown that people who have more birthdays live longer. What's up everybody, Jordan Scott here on another Scott Family Farms video. We are sitting in the house today. Not just sitting around, I'm working on a lot of stuff that has been a little neglected throughout the harvest season. Getting some chores caught up and working on some video projects that I have going on. So that's what I'm up to this week. I will show you why we're not outside doing anything today. I'll just come with me. Yeah, this is why we're not outside today doing anything. You can barely see down to the shed. I did get the combine put in there and a couple other vehicles that were sitting out so that they're just inside, but I don't think we're going to get anything done today. So it feels good to be done with tillage and with the harvest especially, so we don't have to really worry about this. We do have some tiling work, some drainage tile that we can get done. Not in this weather, obviously. We are actually in a winter weather advisory, so we will wait this out and see what happens. I guess the good thing about this week, yeah, it's Masters Week. Which is weird for November, but because of the tournament getting canceled earlier in the year, it is now this week, which is a great birthday present for me. My birthday is on the 17th, so if we could just move the Masters to my birthday week every year, that would be awesome. So on my channel, we are up to about 225 subscribers. Thank you everyone for subscribing that has, but I want to do something a little different. I think if we can get to 500 subscribers, we're about halfway there. If we get to 500 subscribers, I will give something away. I'm not sure what yet. Subscribe, like, and comment on this video to be entered into the giveaway. I will pick one at random from the comments from this video. So once we get to 500, I'll come back to this video and pick one of you guys to win. I was outside for about 3 minutes.
I thought they smelled bad on the outside.
What's happening everybody? It's Jordan Scott here on Scott Family Farms again. It's a windy day today, and today I am just picking up the mail. I've got some monitors and equipment I need to switch tractors. What I'm switching is our IntelliSlope, which runs our tile plow, and the RTK receiver from our planter tractor into the cat so that we can run some tile. We gotta have GPS because it tracks where we are. It also tracks the depth of the tile and adjusts according to that. So that needs to be in the tractor that we're installing tile with to make it work. So I've got to move some stuff around. I got to get the sprayer in the shed and yeah, just kind of do some moving around and shuffling today. So let's get after it. And thank you to anybody who wished me a happy birthday this week on Facebook or otherwise. I do appreciate it. It means a lot. So thank you for watching and paying attention and getting that Facebook reminder that said it was my birthday. That's how I do it, so I'm sure you guys are the same. So next week we got some exciting things coming up. I'm gonna have a visitor here over Thanksgiving, and we're gonna do a little pheasant hunting. Maybe I'll see if I can get him into, see if I can convince him to do a little quick interview. It's a farmer friend of mine from Kansas. Him and his son are coming up to do a little hunting and hang out with us. Stay tuned. We'll see if we can get a little interview out of him and see what's going on in the world of farming in Kansas. I also have some new equipment coming. I've got another camera that I just ordered yesterday. It's a very small pocket-sized camera. It's the DJI Pocket 2, which should be really easy to carry around and be a nice addition to my arsenal of cameras here, and so that I don't have to lug around this big gimbal and camera all the time. Should make filming on the go a lot easier. So as soon as that comes, I'll show you guys what that's all about, and we'll go from there. But let's go back outside. It is windy. It's about 60 degrees today, but it is windy. We'll get some stuff moved around in the shed and see what we can do. I just realized the RTK controller is in the planter tractor, which is up north at our north shed. So I'm gonna have to head up north and go get it. I was thinking it was in here for some reason, but it's not. While we're here, I guess we'll move some stuff around and get the sprayer inside so we can shut the doors. We should probably be getting some snow here in the next week or two, so we want everything inside and in the shed so that it doesn't get more wore out. I'm gonna put you guys down over here, and there we go. I'll see if that sprayer will start. Alright, sprayer started, and we got that moved, so now I gotta get the cat and the ripper out so that I can get the sprayer back in. Right now we've got the planter, the combine. I'll show you guys. Right now we have the planter back here behind the cat, the combine, 2 trucks, Dad's old tractor here, and the cat and the ripper in here. I can get the sprayer in on one of these sides, and then get the cat or the ripper backed in here and unhooked maybe. So let's get the cat out and see how much room we got and see how this Tetris puzzle goes together. should probably get a little closer here and maybe a little closer back here. I might come back about 6 inches or so here. Just to get a little closer, give us a little more wiggle room out front. And then I think I'll drop this. I think I got plenty of room over here for the sprayer to fit in this spot.
Going the wrong way! Be right back.
You're all not worthy.
Alright, so I got the ripper in here and the sprayer. I don't know if I can get the cat in here or not. It's gonna be tight. Might be able to get it in here at an angle. That tractor's big. That's the problem. Guess there's only one way to find out.
You're about to find out.
That'll work. It's kind of
like a glove.
all right, we got everything. No, we don't. I got my semi sitting out yet. You know, you think these sheds are so big and you have so much room in the shed, and then you start putting giant pieces of metal and steel and engines and tires and tracks, and you start filling them up and they fill up too quick. And this isn't even all of our equipment. We have a bunch up north yet too. So we have up north, we have the planter tractor, we have the bean head, we've got the grain cart, we've got our grain back up there. What else? We got our seed tender, tile plow, tile cart, disc. All that stuff is up there. And this shed's full. That shed will be pretty full as well. We got to get the semi in, and I still have my soil finisher out. think I need a new shed. Yeah, anyway, we got everything that's down here that I wanted to get in.
That's what she said. Excuse me? That's what she said.
Still got the truck sitting out, but we got to take the trailer back. We rent that trailer every year, so we don't have to store it is the main reason. And also we only use it in the fall. We're gonna take that trailer back before we put the truck away. That truck we might be able to get it in here.
That's what she said. Hey!
We might be able to get it up north also if it doesn't fit here. But we still need to get those monitors in the cat, so let's head up north to get in that planter tractor and get the stuff out that we need for the GPS to go in this tractor. And then we'll try and find that IntelliSlope monitor. I think it's in my bins over here, so. All right, let's go. All right, we're back home. This is the part that we needed. This is basically just a router that gets the signal from a cell tower and sends our GPS signal to the tractor. This is basically a Wi-Fi router like you have in your home, but it pulls from a cell phone tower. So this is what we need in the tractor in order to get our GPS signal to run the tile plow, and we'll go throw it in the tractor. There's a little bit of cable tangle in here, so that's what I'm working on. I'm just trying to straighten these out, get them arranged a little better, and maybe we'll get some zip ties and tie them all up nice. So that's what I'm working on. Well, there is really no good way to film in here. I'm trying to get you guys a good view of what I'm doing, but there's really not one. So I can't set the camera down and get all the connections done that I need to, but we'll see what I can do. This is the green monitor here. This is the one that runs our tile plow. So I got that in here. Just need to hook it up to power and to our receiver here. This is our controller for the tile plow. To put it into float or up or down. Oh, who's calling me? Yes, sir. What's up?
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want.
All right, well, that was not real exciting, but it's something we had to get done, so we got the monitor in. I do not have it hooked up yet. We got to get the tile plow on and get the receiver on the tile plow and get everything talking together to make sure it's all working right. When we do that, we'll get it all going. But I got as far as we could today. Got all the cables hooked up, power hooked up, the parts in the tractor. So I guess we're as far as we can go today. All right, so for the giveaway, I'm going to give away some Raycon earbuds that I use all the time, every day. My wife has a pair. She likes them. I have a pair and I use them constantly, as you can probably see from my videos. They're great little earbuds. They're not crazy expensive, but they do have good quality and keep a good charge. So to get entered into the giveaway, first of all, if we get to 500 subscribers, I'll give a pair away. If you want to get entered, like this video, comment below, any comment at all, and you have to be a subscriber to do that. And once we hit 500, I'll come back to this video and we will pick somebody at random. So anyway, thanks for watching another Scott Family Farms video. We'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.